of RB. So what is the role of RB? So role of RB, PRB, actually protein, that is why it is called RB. So role of PRB in cell cycle. So we can easily understand what is the role of the RB, and when the both allele of RB gene is mutated, then why cell loses its control. So we can understand by discussing about the functions of the RB. So now PRB, so RB gene encode a protein that is called PRB. So PRB is a protein. It binds with the transcription factor. And this is called E2F. So E2F is a transcription factor whose function is blocked by PRB. So E2F is a transcription whose function is blocked by PRB. Now when there are two complex cyclin CDK complex, we discuss in detail in cell cycle which type. There are different type of cyclins that works in different phase of the cell cycle, and there are different form of CDKs, name of the CDKs, whose amount ups and down during the cell cycles. So there are different type of cyclin CDK complex. So here two cyclin CDK complex, you have to remember that one is cyclin E and CDK2. So cyclin E and CDK2. So this is CDK2 and cyclin in complex, and another is cyclin D and CDK4. Cyclin D and CDK4, sorry, cyclin D. So cyclin D and this is CDK4. So cyclin D CDK4 and cyclin E CDK2 both complex helps in the phosphorylations of PRB. The phosphorylated form of PRB does not block E2F. So now the PRB is phosphorylated. So now PRB is phosphorylated, and here is E2F. E2F is a transcription factor. So now PRB is phosphorylated, and phosphorylated form of PRB does not able to bind with E2F. Now E2F is free, and helps, and so it is called as activated form of the E2F. So activated E2F turns on genes for DNA synthesis. Turns on gene for DNA synthesis. Now E2F is activated and helps in synthesis of a different cyclin. This is called cyclin E. So cyclin E is synthesized. Cyclin E. Cyclin not E. Sorry, this is cyclin A. Already cyclin E there. Cyclin A. This is A. Where the pen? So cyclin A. So cyclin A is synthesized. Cyclin A, it is. Cyclin A is synthesized, and cyclin, as long as cyclin A is synthesized, cyclin A is synthesized, the cyclin D is degraded. So cyclin degradations of cyclin D occur when E2F is free. So the phosphoride E2F is free. Now cyclin A binds with CDK2, CDK2. Cyclin, the full form of CDK2 is cyclin dependent kinase, that is why CDK2. And now cyclin A and CDK2 complex, cyclin A and CDK2 complex activate DNA replication. Now here this phase, we can say there are 4 phases of the cell cycle, like G1, S, G2 and M. This phase is called G1 and this phase is called S phase. So when PRB is phosphorylate and E2F is free, the cell enter into the S phase, and synthesis of cyclin occurred when the E2F is free. Now so the PRB, in case of normal cell, in G1 phase, PRB binds with E2F and inhibits its function. There are 2 cyclin CDK complex known as cyclin E CDK2 and cyclin D CDK4 helps in the phosphorylations of PRB. Phosphorylated PRB does not able to bind with E2F. Now E2F is free and act as a transcription factor, enter into the nucleus and helps in the synthesis of cyclin A. Cyclin A binds with CDK2 and form a complex and activate DNA replications. So this is the role of PRB. So if the both allele of the PRB is mutated, as we can see, the both allele is PRB is mutated. In this case, E2F, so PRB cannot inhibit the functions of E2F, and E2F is always free and activate cyclin A and CDK2 complex, and cell continuously proliferate or replicate. As long as proliferations of the cell occurs in a constitutive manner, and ultimately tumor is formed. So this is the whole functions of retinoblastoma and how retinoblastoma tumor occurred, and what are the types of retinoblastoma tumors, and Knudson II-Hit mutations. So what is Knudson II-Hit mutations? So when the both RB allele is mutated, they actually needs a 2 mutation. In case of RB gene, there needs 2 mutations. So ultimately eye tumor is formed, and this is the role of the RB.